This is Argus 4 Pro Reolink Solar Panel 2. Cut the seal, pull out the tab, lift the lid. At the top, there is a cardboard sleeve. Take it out, and inside it, there are booklets and documentation, such as operational instruction. And then there is a solar panel with a 4-meter USB cable. Then there is a box with mounting plate, pack of screws, and a strap if you want to wrap around the tree. And this is the bracket for the solar panel that you would have to screw to the wall. Get the other container out, and then we get to the camera. I remove the protection after the installation. At the bottom is a place to insert the micro SD card, and at the back you could see the USB and the port for the security mount. And inside this box we got the security mount, strap for tying around a tree or a pole, screws for mounting on a wall. Watch my next video to learn how to insert the micro SD card.